Hello students, today we shall continue with the chapter that is lesson 6, Thesis and the Miniature 2. We have completed half of the lesson. So let us recall what we have learned in the previous class. After several days of journey, who reached Crete, Theseus reached Crete, and King Minos and the others were waiting for them. Them means the 7 maiden and the 7 young men. So, 7 maiden and 7 young men along with Theseus reached the capital of Crete. And who were waiting there? The King Minos and many others were waiting. Many spectators had gathered at the court. Spectators meaning the people who watch. So many were there. And among them were Ariadne, the daughter of Minos. Also, she was also sitting there, we saw in the last class. Okay, and she was very kind person. Okay, though she was the daughter of the King Minos, she was very kind-hearted. People around her were talking and laughing. The other people, those who were watching what is going to happen, they were all laughing and making fun of their other 7 maiden. Okay, but this particular girl, that is the King Minos' daughter Ariadne, she was very upset. And suddenly her eyes fell on a young man called the other prisoner. Who was that person? Theseus. He seemed least frightened. King Minos too noticed the brave man. So among them, who was there? Theseus. Okay? Theseus was not at all frightened. They both noticed that this particular person was not frightened. Who was they? The Theseus. They asked them, who are you? He told that, I am the king of Athens. Okay? So, he told that I came here to kill the miniature. Okay? So the king telling that, yes, I know that you are so courageous, but let us see what will happen the next morning. And the king gave order to the other people to put him to the cell. And the next day morning, he will be the first one to go and fight with the miniature. Okay. So that much part we have learned in the previous class. So you can see page number 39. We'll continue the chapter. Who are you, fair maiden? Asked Theseus in surprise. Who came to the cell of Theseus? Ariadne, the daughter of King Minos. She was very kind person, and moreover, she was fond of this particular man. And somehow she wanted to help him to come out of that cell and to go back to his country. I am Ariadne, daughter of King Minos. I have come to help you. Come with me quickly, replied Ariadne. So, I am the daughter of King Minos. I came here for a purpose. What is the purpose of my coming here? I want to make you to come out of this particular cell. That is why I came here. Okay, students? Theseus got up and followed her. Soon they were out of prison. Theseus, all of a sudden, he also got up and moved along with Ariadne. Okay? Where are you taking me? Asked Theseus. Theseus asked her, where are you taking me? I shall take you to the shore. From there, you take a boat and sail away. I want to save your life, said Ariadne. I came here to save your life, and I wanted you to go back as early as possible from this cell. And I wanted to take you to the shore where you take a boat and you can sail away from there. I have come to kill the monster. I will return only after killing it. Take me to the place where it lives, pleaded Theseus. Pleaded means requested. Theseus requested who? Aradian, the king of the daughter of Minos. You don't take me back to my place, or don't make me to allow to go back to my place, but allow me or take me to the place where that miniature lives. Okay, that monster. I wanted to kill that particular person. Okay, if you insist, if you ask me, if you insist me, I shall take you there, but I advise you not to go there. It will kill you. It's a huge monster, said Aradian. Okay, so Theseus was a brave man, you know that, no? Theseus, he was a brave man, and he did not want to go back to his place without killing the monster. He told that I came here, wanted to kill the monster, and please take me to the cell of the monster. I wanted to kill that one. But who told Aradian told that it's a huge monster and it will kill you. Okay, give me a sword and take me to the maze where it lives, insisted Theseus. So Theseus was going on insisting. What he was telling? Pleading. Please take me to the monster I wanted to kill, and you please give me the sword. Finally, Aradian took him to the cave where monster lived. Cave he was living. Who was living in a cave? Monster was living in a cave. But where the door to the cave? Asked Theseus. Theseus asked, where is the door to the cave? Please show me that. It has a trap door. I know it. Open it, replied Aradian. Aradian told that I know to open the trap door. I will tell you the trick how to open the door of the miniature. She pressed her hand against a block of stone on a wall, and immediately the door opened. She handed him a sword and a ball of thread. You know what is thread, you know? Okay. So what did she give? Aradian gave it to Theseus. She gave a ball of thread and a sword. We will come to know what is the use of that thread and a sword. So the monster lives in a maze. Where did the monster live? He lives in a maze, in a cave. There are hundreds of passages and doors. There are hundreds of passages and doors, each leading to the other. The secret of the maze is to always turn to the right. What is the secret of the maze? The secret of the maze is always turn to the right. Otherwise, what will happen? Otherwise, you will miss the way and the monster will kill you. Tie this thread at the entrance and unwind it as you go. After you have killed the monster, follow the thread back to the entrance. I shall wait for you here. May God be with you and may you victorious, said Aradian with tears in her eyes. So Aradian was a very loving and a caring person, and she wanted to take care of this particular man, Theseus. And she gave the secret of that, trap door and how it has to be opened. And also she gave a bowl of thread and a sword to his hand and to use. And also she explained all the details how to kill the monster. And she blessed him and sent him. Theseus slowly made his way through the passage. It was completely dark. How was the passage? Was there any light? No, there was no light or anything there, and the passage was completely dark. He took the right passage as Aradian advised him. So Aradian had told everything, all the details, how to go and what to do and all. So it was very helpful for him, and he went the right way. Okay, as he approached, he could hear the sound of the bulls bellowing. Bellowing means, what's the meaning of bellowing? A loud, deep roar. He was roaring like a lion. So she also already told that the monster is a huge man and he will kill you. He is very powerful than you. Okay, as he approached, as he was coming nearer to that monster, he was making bellowing. Bellowing means making a loud noise. Finally, he reached the center of the maze. Finally, he reached there, the center of the maze. Through a small opening in the roof, moonlight fell into the room. Through the opening, some openings were there on the roof. So from there, he would get the moonlight. Okay. In one corner, he could see the beast. It was mighty monster. From there, he could peep through that. And what did he see? He saw a mighty, a big monster. Its horns looked like a sharpened spears. The horn, you can see it in the picture also here, how the horn looked. It's a sharpened spear. Its teeth, it's the exaggeration of the teeth and horns, were looking long and pointed. The teeth were long and pointed. It had the body of a man and the head of a bull. So how it looked, it is the thesis is telling us. How it looked? It was mighty monster, a huge one. Its horns looked like a sharpened spears. Its teeth were long and pointed. It had the body of a man and the head of a bull. At the sound of Theseus' footsteps, the monster raised its head and bellowed. Within a second, it changed Theseus. With a quick jump, Theseus dodged. Dodged means, what's the meaning of dodged? Moved quickly out of the way. He went out very fast. He was also very clever. Theseus also, okay? And it charged at him again and again. After a long battle, Theseus managed to get a grip on one of the horns of the monster and tried to cut off its head. So in this paragraph, it is explained that how the Theseus killed the monster. Finally, he cut the head of the monster. But monster threw him down and tried to crush him with its sharpened end. Monster also was very powerful and also he was trying to kill him. Theseus quickly jumped to his feet and with a great blow on his sword cut off the head. So finally they had a great fight between them, and finally who won the match? Who won? Theseus. Theseus finally cut off the head of the monster. Theseus was exhausted after a battle. He was so tired after the fight. But he felt with great pride. He was so proud that he has done something. He succeeded in the killing of the cruel monster. He then thought of Ariadne waiting him for at the entrance. The Ariadne told that after killing the monster, you come back, I will be waiting at the entrance. So following the thread, he made his way back to the entrance. Ariadne was overjoyed to find him alive. Ariadne was so happy to see Theseus alive. She felt so relaxed. Okay. So I have killed monster, said Theseus proudly. I knew you would do it. You are a brave prince, replied. I know that you would kill monster. I know that you are a brave man. Okay, take me to the Athens. My father will kill me when he comes to know that I helped you to kill monster. So what she told her? She told that please take me also with you. I wanted to go with you. If my father comes to know that I have helped you, he will kill me. So what happened? I shall be only the too glad to take you along with me. You saved my life. You shall be my wife and the queen of Athens one day, said Theseus. So Theseus also wanted to take Ariadne and make her as his wife and make the queen of Athens. So let us free our friends and flee from here quickly. So both of them rescued their companions also, who was also there, and all of them went back to Athens. They got and rode away to Athens. That is the end of the paragraph. Okay, students, that's the completed story of chapter 6, Theseus. It's very interesting and very nice story. 2 lessons, continuation of the first and the second. Okay, so read the story again and again, understand and learn the difficult word meanings. Thank you for listening.